Failing a food safety audit feels like the end of the world. But it is not the end of your business. Hi, I'm Felicia Loo, your food safety consultant helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. Failing an audit usually means one thing. Your system has gaps that need to be fixed. It does not mean you are unsafe. It does not mean you cannot recover. And it definitely does not mean you should give up. What matters most is how you respond. Clear root cause analysis, practical corrective actions, and changes that actually stick. I have seen many companies come back stronger because failing forced them to fix what was not working. The takeaway is this: an audit failure is feedback, not a final verdict. Failed an audit? We helped numerous manufacturers that fails their audit, when they are not our client, to pass their audit with our guidance. Let us help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.